The question is, the list above contained 10 numbers. A numbers is removed from the list, and the mode, medium, and mean of the new list of are all equal. Was number removed from the list?
Divided by the number of values. Sorry.
Yeah, and how many values are there?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, yeah. And they also tell us that here the question is that, right? The list above contains 10 numbers. Yeah. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay, great. So we can calculate the mean really easily. We just did that, and we know how to do it. Okay, let's talk about the median and the mode. Okay, the median and the mode. So,
So the median.
Yeah, median. Go to the basic concept cheat sheet real quick. We're still on basic concept A, and go ahead and read. Median is the second bullet point.
It's the middle number.
Yeah, and I'm going to probably clarify this actually on the basic concept cheat sheet. It's the middle number when you arrange them from smallest to greatest. It's the middle number.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if it's an odd number of numbers, it's really easy. Just pick the one in the middle. If it's an even number of numbers, it's not really middle numbers, so you're supposed to take the average of the middle two, but I don't think that's going to be an issue here in this question. Okay. But I'll clarify that. You've got to arrange them from smallest to greatest first, or greatest to smallest, you could as well. But arrange them in order first, and then pick the middle one. If it's all jumbled up, don't just pick the one in the middle. Well, it's got to be middle from smallest to greatest. Does that make sense when I say it's got to be middle from smallest to greatest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not just if it's all jumbled values everywhere. All right. And then look at mode. Mode is interesting.
Most frequently occurring number.
Most frequently occurring number. Yeah. So if you've got of the 10 values, you've got 9 of the values are 3. Your mode is 3, right? Even if it's not the average or the median. Well, it would be the median too. But if whichever the most frequently occurring numbers. All right. I think it's going to be relatively easy to calculate these as long as you know what mean, median, mode is. Right? So.
What was?
Go ahead.
Okay, what was the number? No, I was just reading the question. What number was it?
Yeah. So they said a number is removed from the list, and then when that number is removed, the mode, the median, and the mean are all equal. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Look at the answer choices, because we're just going to test the answer choices here. Okay? We're going to start with the answer choice A, 2. Okay? So let's remove 2 from the list. You're gone. Okay? 2's gone from the list. Now let's calculate the mean and the median and the mode and see if they're all equal. And if they're all equal, it's A. And if it's not, we can get rid of it and we can move on to the other answer choices. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Let's start with the mode, because that's really easy. What's the mode? And remember, mode is most frequently occurring number. What's the mode in this list?
5.
5, absolutely. Right. I'm going to make a note of that on the bottom. So the mode right now is 5. Okay. What's the median? Right, that's the middle number. All right, and they're already arranged. They're already arranged from smallest to greatest, so we're good. What's the?
So that's the one in the middle. Right?
It's the one in the middle, yeah. Which one? What's the value in the middle?
3. No. The one in the middle.
Yeah, you know what I mean when I say the middle.
And you said from smallest to greatest?
Yeah, and it's already from smallest to greatest. So we're just picking the middle number. I mean, you could probably circle the middle number. Just look at it. Circle the one in the middle. Which one looks like it's in the middle? Which number?
4.
Yeah, that's over. 4 is right over here. That's not in the middle of that set of numbers. Which one's in the middle?
I wanted to say 5.
Yeah, probably 5. I mean, I'm just talking visually.
I was looking at it because 5 was reoccurring so much. That's why I didn't want to say 5. But
yeah, you're focused on the mode. But I mean, it looks like it's the median also. It's the middle number. Let me teach you a little trick for when it comes to median. If you want to find the median, and I had a student actually remind me of this. I forgot this. I used this way back in high school, dear God help, 25 years ago. No, wait, it was long. I'm not, hold on. No. Yeah, it was long. But anyway, Not calculating that right now. But if you just start canceling out the ones on the sides, start crossing them out, right? I'm getting closer to the middle. Close to the middle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's the middle one. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Just start Xing them out from the sides. Work outside in, and you'll get to the median. Luckily here is an odd number. There's only 9 left. Once we got rid of the 2, there's only 9 left, so we didn't have to worry about finding the average of the middle 2 or whatever. But I mean, just look at the middle. Right? 5 is in the middle. Right? You've got 4 numbers to the right of it, 4 numbers to the left of it, 5's in the middle. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
If you're ever confused about median, easy way to remember median is, do you drive, Shayla?
No.
You don't drive? But you've been in a car, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. So, I don't know if you knew this, but like the middle of the road is called the median of the road. Have you heard that term?
Yes.
The median. Yeah. So like median is the middle of the road. It's the middle number. That's how I remember. Anyway, the median is 5. Does that make sense?
The median and the mode is 5.
So far, yeah. A is looking good so far. All we got to do is see if the mean, right? Because we've already got the mode, we got the median. Those are both equal. Let's see if the mean is equal to 5. How do we calculate the mean?
The mean is to add up all the values and divide it.
And divide by the number of values. Let's add them all up, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's 3 plus 4 plus 5.
I got 45.
5 plus 5 plus 5. How many 5s is that? 5 5s. It's 5 plus 6 plus...
I got 45.
I got 45 too. And then how many values do we have here?
Cause it's not 10 anymore.
It's not 10 anymore, is it, right? How many values do we have here?
So 9.
9. So 45 divided by 9. What's that equal?
5.
This is 9 here.
Yeah, the mean is
1,
5.
2, 3,
Hey!
4, 5, 6, 7,
We're all equal.
8, 9.
Right?
Yeah.
They're all equal. So I think we found our answer. What's that?
2.
2.
What number was it?
Yeah. We got rid of 2, and look, the mean, median, and the mode were all equal. So I feel pretty comfortable picking it. Now, again, I mean, you got all the time in the world. If you're feeling very patient, you could test the others just to make sure you're on the right track. It's probably a smart idea to test the others and make sure they don't give you the same value. Because if you made a mistake here somewhere along the way, right, and you got like 2 answer choices or 3 answer choices, God forbid, that all gave you equal values, then you know you went wrong somewhere. You just got to do it again more carefully. So does it make sense when I say it's probably smart to test all the answer choices?
Yeah.
You know, because you've got the time. You've got the time. You might as well be extra sure. But here, again, you just have to know what mode means. You have to know what median means. You have to know what mean means. As long as you know that, it's pretty easy to test. Any questions about that?
No.
Okay, let's rock and roll. We got a couple more questions.